Yes, sir. I spoke to him about it, and he really did admit that he has a gambling problem, and that he promised me that he's working on it.
Angie, you do know there is no cure for gambling, right?
Yes, sir.
It's the one addiction that has no cure. So we're faced with what they would call a conundrum, which way to turn. But it's up to you. I just hope that you work it out before he messes up everything you're trying to build. I tell you what. Why don't you come in and see me tomorrow? There is a matter to deal with this SSL debacle that's going on. And we might need to put some sleepers on Mr. Bolt.
Is that serious?
But we need to discuss this.
Okay.
And anything we discuss is going to have to be strictly between you and I.
Yes, sir.
So come in tomorrow morning and let's have this talk.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, Ajay,
Sir?
is there something you need to tell me?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Positive, sir.
Certain.
Certain.
Okay. We'll talk when you come in tomorrow. Not a problem.
Okay. This was. You see what I see?
Yeah, man. I see what Gwaan.
Give me 2 minutes. Intercept.
Alright, boss. How about big boy? Everything good?
Yeah, man. Everything good.
You have a light?
What kind of light? Roof light, flashlight, headlight, or bright light?
Light and me attack, brother.
Oh. What if it's smoker have a lighter? You a smoker?
Yeah, man. Smoke.
Yeah, man. You smoke. So a weed or the cigar there, brother?
Right. Yo, you know, say, we buy some cigarettes around our shop around here, so, but we left it around there. We soon fall.
Gwaan, Savage.